Good afternoon, welcome back to Alfa Romeo of Naples. This is a little something new for our lot. Usually you're used to seeing our new 2020 Alfa Romeo lineup. However, today we have this classic 1959 Alfa Romeo Spider 2000. This car is finished in the Alfa Red. It did undergo a nuts and bolt restoration around the time of 2018. The car has been kept by the single owner for the past 40 years in Southern California. It's been very well taken care of. And you can just come in and take a look at how great of shape this is. Like I said, the restoration that was done was a nut and bolt restoration with the color here. And you can really see how that shows this car looks pristine. You've got the chrome on the sides. You've got the manual transmission with the carpet inside, the black dash, the black seats, even down to the 5-speed manual transmission. And your large Alfa steering wheel here, finished in the black. You've got gauges up top here, all your headlight switches. Now, it is noted this car starts up every single time like clockwork with ease. I'm actually going to demonstrate that for you. And really starts and runs with no problem at all. Does not show its age one bit. We're going to put key in here. And it starts right up. Pretty quiet idle. It is a 2-liter twin cam in here. And just a subtle car, really, for the showability. It toots around just fine, runs like a charm. You've got very comfortable seats in here with the open experience here. The seats are adjustable, move back and forth. A little bit of storage in the glove box and down on the sides here, but this is definitely a classic to be admired from Alfa Romeo here, in great shape. This car is available here at Alfa Romeo alongside of our other Alfa Romeo 8C that I've done a video on previously. That's a 2009, definitely newer, but still a limited production collector's vehicle from Alfa Romeo. Now we're offering both of these because we are a new Alfa Romeo dealership. We want to bring some of the classics to the market and just some unique stuff that you really don't see anywhere else. So if you're interested in this car, feel free to reach out, give us a call, talk to our Alfa Romeo representative. You can always reach us at 239-430-5655, and we'd be glad to set up a showing and have you look at this beautiful piece of art from Alfa Romeo. Or you can always come on in. It is in our showroom currently. You can come on by, take a peek, and look at this car. It really is a true collector's item in great shape, something you're not going to see anywhere else. So as always, thanks for watching, guys, and we really look forward to seeing you soon.